Jamaica is the third largest island in the Caribbean, known for a myriad of things, from reggae and Bob Marley to athletics with the fastest man alive, Usain Bolt, to the best coffee in the world, the Blue Mountain Coffee, to the jerk sauce, the rum, the waterfalls, and many other things, including the beautiful, dreamy, sandy beaches. Jamaica's beaches are a taste of paradise, especially those along the northern and southern coasts of the island. While the majority of beaches are clean, pristine, and quite captivating, some are really dirty, polluted, and in need of some help. And that's why we're here today. I was invited by a group of local content creators to participate in a beach cleanup exercise of one of our least attractive beaches, which is located in Kingston, the capital city of Jamaica. I commend the team's effort for doing our part to combat the problem of litter along the coastline and preserve the environment. Let's meet the volunteers.
Hi, I'm Paige Power, and on Instagram _PagePower.
And I'm Jeffboy Clark, and on YouTube it's JSoRandom.
And hi everyone, I'm ALEESHA Brown, that's my YouTube name.
Hey guys, I'm SHAMAR CROSSFIELD. On YouTube it's SHAMAR CROSSFIELD, and on Instagram it's SHAMAR CROSSFIELD.
I'm Kurt. Make sure you check out my channel, it's just Kurt in all caps.
Hello, I'm Joel.
Hey guys, I'm FAMIELIN, as you know.
Hey fam, welcome back to the Rochielin channel.
Okay, these black bags are for trash and the green ones are for plastic and stuff.
Okay. Mommy, you ready?
I am ready.
What's the green bag for?
Plastic bag.
What's the black bag for? Okay, your nose, I showed you your mask.
Let's see how these open.
So we can see people along the beaches, they're cleaning up. This is a great initiative actually. Thank you. See, I just got my bag to pick up plastic. You know, a real YouTuber space and I'll have tripod over there, so this is not one of the most aesthetically pleasing beaches. This one is just one of them. So from a non-Jamaicans looking on and say, oh, those are the white sandy beaches. No, this is one of the darker sand beaches. This is in Kingston. This is in our city area, so it's not in the beach towns or anything like that. Those beaches are usually clean, great, but we have some others that are very dirty and in different parts of the island. So the clean one needs to be clean, alright? So for this event, the creators were split in two groups. One group to pick up plastic and place them in the green bags, and the other to pick up trash and place them in the black bags. My group was on plastic duty, so we limped around in the boiling 85 degrees sun with our objective in mind. Not too long after, I stumbled on a group of men who were returning from a morning of fishing, and of course I had to stop and talk to them. Alright guys, so as I'm here cleaning the beach, I just met 3 fishermen. Are you guys fishermen by profession or you just come? Sport! Okay, so I was just asking them what they caught today. And this is one of the fishes. What is it?
It's a small snook.
Small snook?
It's a snook, it's a snook.
Yeah?
Yeah, but it's a small one.
So how you usually prepare this? It's best fried or steamed or what?
Fried, steamed, roast. Anyone you choose.
Fillet it.
Yeah?
Yeah, you can go ahead and do that. It depends on how you want to prepare it.
So how you want to go and prepare it?
Well, I'm not sure.
Are you going to sell it?
No, I'm not selling that one.
That one is too nice to sell, don't you?
No, we don't really fish to sell.
We don't really fish to sell no more. If we catch and we go out the road and somebody see it and want it, we will sell it. But we don't really, you know?
Yeah.
Fish we catch, we eat.
So this is the only fish you got?
Yeah, this morning.
So you wanna get none?
What's small, Jack? Give me really show him.
Oh, too small for sure.
Too small for sure.
And what you got? None for you today.
I let them
Maybe
catch
still
and
too
let
early.
go.
Oh, okay. So how long you guys are fishing for?
A couple of years now.
Yeah?
Years. At least I did from a child. My mom and father used to take me out to say no, say very long.
I feel like everybody father used to carry them go fishing,
Well,
except mine.
Well, it's not too late for you, you know.
Yeah? So from what time this morning you fishing? Cause right now it's 9 o'clock.
From about 6 o'clock.
6 o'clock. And I get up early, man.
Yeah, man. My phone alarm from 5:30, you know.
Yeah.
And from 6 we're up.
Yeah.
Just like that.
Wow. So it's something you do every Sunday?
Not really, you know. Sometime evening time throughout the week, you know. It depends when the snook them active. Like in the summer, sometimes I know if in a man shop every day we out.
Yeah.
You know, but like now, yeah, I just casually do it because them not really that plentiful right now.
So you go on a boat and stay on the shore? So you can't carry more than time. I never go fishing
Well,
it
I have
now.
to make the link, you know, it's up to you.
Yeah,
No
more and
problem,
go.
even right here out by Wiki Waki.
Yeah.
Yeah, Port Royal. Sometimes we do what we call the ground fishing. We use the sinker and pin and the shrimp on it.
Yeah.
Yes.
I've never done it, so I'd like to learn.
Well, it's up to you.
Okay.
It's up to you. It's up to you.
So what are your names? What's yours?
Junior.
Speak of the house. Junior.
Yeah.
My little brother named Junior
Watch
now.
you again.
Keston.
Keston. I hope we can see you guys because the sun.
Yeah.
Omar. Well, nice meeting you all. I'm gonna wave now. I'm gonna get a big wave. Hey. Hey.
So much, guys.
Whoa, between the you found like a whoa.
Exactly. I did not know this was here. Okay.
And you know when I was talking to Clean Up Work, they said that in between the rocks was where.
Oh, this is ore?
So how is everything going, FAMIELIN?
Huh?
How is everything going?
Everything is going good.
You think your team is going to win?
We know that.
We know that.
I love the competitive spirit. I really love it.
I'm aware. It's so hot. Look at how I'm dressed. I'm barely recognizable. I have this green bag, so I'm picking up plastics. But it seems like it's mostly garbage, not much plastic right now. Wow, look at you go. The mommy me who carry can leave you out there, man. Feel tired now.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good sing thing, DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring, a little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Mama is her own team. Yeah, she's her own. No, Mama Lynn is her own team.
I won.
We were just.
I won. You guys are my supporting cast. Thank you.
So congrats, Shamar.
On a lamb.
No, it's Pampage.
Pampage is a part of the team.
On a lamb. So guys, this is the winning team apparently, but you know, whatever. Bad man active.
We won.
And this is the second winning team, you know. We did our thing.
Yeah, we tried our best.
I mean, what I think is that there's a lot more garbage than plastics, and we're getting plastics, right?
Yes, that's true.
Yeah, and then them get too big sponge, and the sponge with the bag make look full.
Yes, but you guys saw the sponge.
Full. Yeah, so it's not like it was really full. It just big. We were taking out bottles and cups. But a joke. Everybody's effort it counts. It's noted, and I just want to say congrats to all of you that even decided to come out and do it. You know, it's a great initiative. We're saving the planet one bag at a time, and I love being a part of these type of things, as you know, the type of videos that I put out. So when Shamar reached out to me, even though I do have some other things to do today, I really tried to make it work.
And we appreciate that. Yeah, we appreciate that.
Sure.
I'm happy you did, and good going for even reaching out, because I know a lot of times the up-and-coming YouTubers are afraid to reach out to those that they think are more established, I mean, for whatever reason. So I'm happy you did, and it's so great to meet you all. So I'm going to introduce everyone one by one. So guys, remember, these are all local Jamaican YouTubers and content creators, so I'm going to encourage you to support them. So let's start.
Hi, I'm Paige.
And what's your name online?
Paige Power, and on Instagram _Paige Power.
So it's Paige Power on YouTube.
Yeah.
Instagram _Paige Power. Right.
And I'm Jeffway Clark, and on YouTube it's J So Random. Yes.
What kind of videos you do?
Mostly commentary and funny stuff.
Fun videos?
Yeah.
What kind of videos you do?
Med type videos.
Med? You're a med student?
Yes, I am.
Awesome. We got a future doctor in the house. And
hi everyone, I'm ALEESHA Brown. That's my YouTube name. I do videos about university life, and I also do content surrounding vlogs and nursing. So if you like that, you can check it out.
Look at that. Nice.
Hey guys, I'm SHAMAR CROSSFIELD. On YouTube it's SHAMAR CROSSFIELD, and on Instagram it's SHAMAR CROSSFIELD. The type of content that I make, it's a mix. I do a lot of like experimental type videos, challenges and tips. So if you're into that, check out the channel. And yeah, I think you like it. I think you like the content. Because if you're watching Rochelein's quality videos, you'll also like my content.
Hey.
Yeah. Oh, my turn. Yeah. I'm Kurt. I make cooking / vlog videos. Well, my videos surround cooking mostly, but you know, I do some vlogs.
So you're a chef?
I like cooking.
You like cooking? What kind of food you cook?
Well, fried rice is one of my favorite things that I cook, and I bake sometimes.
Nice.
Yes.
You have any vegan options?
Oh yes, I was vegetarian once, so I know how to make like tofu and all this stuff. Yes, and you know, lentils taste good when you fix it up nice too.
I don't think I've had it, but we'll definitely be checking it out, right, guys?
Yes, make sure you check out my channel. It's just Kurt in all caps.
Okay.
Hello, I'm Joel. I was here supporting. Don't really have a channel, but I help Shamar with his videos.
Okay, awesome. And you are?
Hey guys, I'm FAMIELIN, as you know.
That's it?
Yours truly is mommy. I'm just supporting, you know that. I support.
She don't have a channel yet, but who knows? You never know.
Okay.
So what was your experience like, guys?
It was good. Hot, tiring, but positive in the end.
Very hot.
Yeah. And you? It was a? Rough? Why?
Because the sun is so hot.
Girl, I know. How was it for you?
It was okay. It wasn't my first beach cleanup, but I think we needed a bit more people to make it a bit more impactful. But we still collected as much garbage as we possibly can, and that's awesome.
Yeah. And you?
As I said before, well, not to that camera. As I said, I'm just happy that everybody came out to support it, you know, because they spent a lot of time, you know, thinking about all the stuff, planning, and it's a good initiative, right? So yeah, I'm happy everybody, you know, helped out and stuff. That's
great. And Shamar?
Yeah, honestly, I'm glad that, as Kurt said, I'm glad everybody came out. You know, the two of us kind of worked together to organize it and come up with the idea, and I'm glad that it worked out the way that it did, even though it was exhausting and tiring. I have to say shout out to FAMIELIN, you know, because she was MVP.
The MVP.
MVP.
So,
yeah.
I told you.
Yeah. So
what will you tell him? I told you what. Well, that's great. Thank you all for watching, and be sure to check out everyone's content and comment and let them know that Rochielin sent you. Remember to also do your part to help to preserve the environment. It doesn't have to be a big grand gesture, just start small because every little counts. Be blessed and see you next time.
Rochielin, 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 with the vlogging. Rochielin, 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 a good thing, DIY thing, traveling, exploring, touring, a little ear thing, a little teaching, a be a fun thing, cause she not boring. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype. Like, share, comment, subscribe. Watch every video, member say she not hype.
Hey, it's Rochielin.